हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग। आइए प्रैक्टिस करते हैं एक और क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम क्रेडिट मैनेजमेंट। सो लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन। ओके, सो ये रहा क्वेश्चन। लेट्स सी व्हाट इज गिवन इन दिस क्वेश्चन। A trader whose current sales are in the region of rupees 6 lakh per annum. So this is annual sales 6 lakh per annum, and on an average collection period of 30 days. So this is credit period 30 days. Wants to pursue more liberal policy to improve sales. Study made by management consultant reveals the following information. Four credit policies are there, A, B, C, D, and their collection increase in the collection period. So 30 days is the existing credit period. Now they want to increase their credit period accordingly. And here is the increased sales given. Percentage default anticipated. This is percentage of bad debt only. This is bad debt. Okay. The selling price per unit is rupees 3. Average cost per unit is 2.25 and variable cost per unit is rupees 2. Current bad debt loss is 1%. Required rate of additional investment is 20%. This is to calculate opportunity cost. Assume 360 days a year. Analyze which of the above policies should be recommended for adoption. So out of these four policies, we have to find out the optimum policy. Okay. So let us solve this question. So simply prepare a statement. So I'm starting solution here. Solution statement. So in evaluation of credit policies. So there are four credit policies and one existing. So prepare column accordingly. Particulars column is required. Then existing policy. Then proposed policy. Proposed policies. In proposed policies, there are four policies: A, B, C, and D. Okay. First of all, write credit period. Credit period. And it is given in days. And if it is month information, so write in month. So existing credit period is 30 days. And proposed increase in the collection period. So in case of A, it will increase by 10. So 30 plus 10, 40. Second, 30 plus 20, 50. Third, 30 plus 30, 60. And the last one, 45. So 30 plus 45, 75. Now close this figure. Now we require sales less variable cost. We will get contribution. Contribution. From this deduct fixed cost. We will get operating profit. From this you have to deduct administration cost if it is given. You have to deduct bad debt and opportunity cost. opportunity cost. At the end, you will get net profit. Net profit. So this is simple statement you have to follow. This is simple format. First, write down this statement. Fill the figures in this statement, whatever data available in the question, and calculate wherever it is required. So very simple. Sales 6 lakh. So existing sales is 6 lakh. So I am writing here rupees 6 lakh. Okay. And this sale will increase by 30,000. So here it will be 6 lakh 30,000. Here it will be 648. And here it will be 675. And last one is 6,90,000. Okay. From sales, you have to deduct variable cost. So, but how you will calculate variable cost? So in question, either it will be given variable cost information, or sometimes you have to use PV ratio given in the question. So here they have given variable cost is rupees 2 per unit, rupees 2 per unit, and selling price is rupees 3. So you can use this ratio. See, sale price is rupees 3 per unit and variable cost is rupees 2 per unit. So this is the ratio you can use because variable cost is in proportion to sales. So if sale is 3, so how much is variable cost? You can do cross multiplication, right? So 6 lakh into 2 divided by 3. So 6 into 2, 12, 12 by 3, so 4 lakh. So variable cost will be 4 lakh. Here again do cross multiplication. Use calculator. It is very simple. This is sale price given, right? 1 second, I'll mention this ratio with other color so that you can identify later on. This sale price is given in question 3 rupees per unit and variable cost rupees 2. So sales and variable cost vary in the same proportion. So we can cross multiply to get variable cost, or you can find out the number of sales unit. That means 6 lakh is the total sales. Sale price per unit is rupees 3. If you divide, you will get the number of unit. 6 lakh divided by 3, you will get 2 lakh, and 2 lakh is the quantity, and variable cost per unit is 4. So 2 lakh into, sorry, variable cost is 2. So 2 lakh into 2, you will get 4 lakh variable cost. Accordingly, either you do cross multiplication or you find out the number of unit and multiply with the rate per unit of variable cost 2. So you will get. So I am using cross multiplication trick. 6,30,000 into 2 divided by 3. So here it is 4,20,000. 4,20,000. Then 648 into 2 divided by 3. 648 into 2 divided by 3. 432. Then 675 into 2 divided by 3. It is 450. And last one 690. 6,90,000 into 2 divided by 3. It is 460. Deduct this variable cost from sales, you will get contribution. So in first case it is 2 lakh. Second case it is 2,10,000. Here 648 minus 432. Use calculator to avoid silly mistakes. 2,16,000. 675 minus 450, 2,25,000. Last one 690 minus 460. 2,30,000. Now fixed cost. Check whether fixed cost is given in question. So here they have given average cost. Fixed cost is directly not given, but it can be calculated. See, working note, number of units. Total sale, annual sale is given as 6 lakh. So 6 lakh and selling price is rupees 3 per unit given. So divide by 3, rupees 3 per unit. So you will get 2 lakh units. So total cost will be 2 lakh unit into this average cost 2.25 into 2.25 equals to 2.25 into 2 lakh. It comes to 4,50,000. 4,50,000. From this deduct variable cost, we will get fixed cost. So variable cost will be 2 lakh unit and variable cost is given as rupees 2 here. 2 per unit into 2. So it will be 4 lakh. So 450 minus 4 lakh, 50,000 will be the fixed cost. So here fixed cost will be 50,000 and fixed cost remain fixed at all level of production. So you can write this fixed cost in all the column. 50, 50. Now deduct fixed cost, you will get operating profit. So here it is 1,50,000. 210 minus 50, it will be 160. Here 216 minus 50, 216 minus 50,000, 166. Here 225 minus 50, it will be 1,75,000. Last one 230 minus 50, it will be 1,80,000. So I hope up to this stage there is no problem. सिर्फ यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ट्रिक था, ये सेल और वेरिएबल कॉस्ट का इंफॉर्मेशन डायरेक्टली वेरिएबल कॉस्ट नहीं दिया था, तो हमने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया. इसका दूसरा ट्रिक मैंने यहाँ पे बताया, नंबर ऑफ यूनिट फाइंड आउट कर लो. नंबर ऑफ यूनिट हमने कैसे फाइंड आउट किया, टोटल सेल दिया था, सेलिंग प्राइस पर यूनिट 3 था, तो टोटल 2 लाख यूनिट है. नाउ यूनिट इनटू वेरिएबल कॉस्ट पर यूनिट 4 लाख. ऐसे यहाँ का यूनिट फाइंड आउट करोगे, मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, यहाँ का यूनिट फाइंड आउट करके मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, या फिर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से भी सेम आंसर आएगा. ठीक है. नाउ एडमिन कॉस्ट, इज देयर एनी एडमिन कॉस्ट गिवन? Admin cost is not given, but bad debt is given. Admin cost is not given, so put dash over here. क्वेश्चन में रहेगा एडमिन कॉस्ट तो माइनस कर लेना, नहीं है सिंपली डैश. ओके. बैड डेट दिया है तो लिखो, नहीं दिया है तो डैश, बट यहाँ पे दिया है. ये वाला जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है ये बैड डेट ही है, इसका दूसरे नाम से इसको बोला है, तो बैड डेट ही है. ओके. सो एग्जिस्टिंग में 1% है, वो यहाँ पे बोला है. Existing bad debt is 1%. So 1% and bad debt percentage should be always applied on sales. So sales का 6 lakh का 1%. So it will be 6,000 in first case. Bad debt 6,000 in first case. Second case में proposed policy A में 1.5%. Sale का 1.5% निकालो. 6,30,000 into 1.5%. It is 9450. 9450. नेक्स्ट केस में 648 का 2%. 648 इंटू 2%, 12,960. 12,960. और पॉलिसी सी का रेट है 3%, तो 3% सी के सेल्स पे अप्लाई कर दो 675 पे, 6,75,000 इंटू 3%, 20,250। और लास्ट वाले का बैड डेट 4% है, ये 690 पे अप्लाई कर दो 6,90,000 इंटू 4%, 27,600, 27,600। अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट, मैं यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला इसका दे देता हूँ, वर्किंग नोट। अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट, दिस इज इक्वल टू वेरिएबल कॉस्ट प्लस फिक्स कॉस्ट into credit period divide by, if credit period is given in days, so divide by total days of year, and they have mentioned consider 360. If 360 is not given, then take 365, but they have mentioned take 360 days a year into opportunity cost rate will be given in the question. This 20% is the opportunity cost, so 20%. Now using this formula you have to calculate for all the options, so right from existing to all the proposed policies. अब मैं एक एक करके कैलकुलेशन शुरू करता हूँ। एग्जिस्टिंग का वेरिएबल कॉस्ट है 4 लाख, 4 लाख प्लस इसका फिक्स कॉस्ट है 50,000, तो ऐड करो, टोटल कम्स टू 450 इंटू क्रेडिट पीरियड, क्रेडिट पीरियड फर्स्ट में 30 डेज, तो इंटू 30 डिवाइड बाई 360 इंटू 20%, तो इट इज 7,500, 7,500। अब ऐसे सेकंड का निकालना, सेकंड कॉलम का मतलब प्रपोज पॉलिसी ए का, इसका ये वेरिएबल कॉस्ट कंसिडर करना है, ये वेरिएबल कॉस्ट इसका 420, फिक्स कॉस्ट 450, दोनों को ऐड करना है, 420 प्लस 50 मतलब 470, 470 इंटू क्रेडिट पीरियड, सेकंड का क्रेडिट पीरियड है 40, तो इंटू 40 डिवाइड बाई 360 इंटू 20%, तो इट कम्स टू 10,444, 0.44, so ignore it, 0.44, so 10,444। अगर फ्रैक्शन 5 से ज्यादा होता तो लास्ट डिजिट को राउंड ऑफ कर सकते थे। नेक्स्ट, अभी यहाँ पे ये तुम्हारा वेरिएबल कॉस्ट है, ये फिक्स कॉस्ट है, दोनों को ऐड करो इनटू क्रेडिट पीरियड डिवाइड बाय 360 इनटू 20%, कैलकुलेट 432 प्लस 50,000 इनटू क्रेडिट पीरियड 50 डिवाइड बाय 360 इनटू 20%, 13,388.88 है, तो उसको राउंड ऑफ कर लो 13,389, 13,389। लास्ट वाला 450 प्लस 50, ये हो गया 5 लाख, 5 लाख के ऊपर इनटू क्रेडिट पीरियड इसका है 60 इंटू 60 डिवाइड बाई 360 इंटू 20%, 16,667, 16,667। लास्ट वन इधर है, ये कॉस्ट 460 एंड 50, टोटल हो जाएगा 5,10,000, 510 इंटू क्रेडिट पीरियड है इसका 75 इंटू 75 डिवाइड बाई 360 इंटू 20%, 21,250, 21,250। अब ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट से ये तीनों कॉस्ट माइनस करो, एडमिन तो है ही नहीं, दो ही माइनस करना है, माइनस करने के बाद जो आएगा दैट विल बी योर फाइनल आंसर। So let's compute one by one. In first case, it is 1,50,000 minus 6,000 minus 7,500 comes to 136,500. 136,500. Second option, 160 minus 9,450 minus 10,444 comes to 140,106. 140,106. Third option, 166 minus 12,960 minus 13,389. It comes to 139,651. Next, second last, 175 minus 20,250 minus 16,667. It comes to 138,083. Last one, 180 minus 27,600 minus 21,250 equals to 131,150. 131,150. Now check where net profit is highest. See, this is 136, this is 140, 139, 138, 131. So profit is highest here in this option. This is the highest profit. So right here conclusion. One second. Conclusion. The proposed policy A is optimum or better. You can write anything. Proposed policy A is optimum. Your answer is proposed policy A. So that's it in this question. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.